So Stevie is full-blown T-bird jealous of me and my blackbird. T-bird jealous, 100%. Being all defensive, because I've been tweaking on some things.
No, I'm not being offensive.
You're being defensive.
You lost the race.
I was being offensive.
And you're
You've
a
been
sore-ass loser, and you got to come up with some sort of an excuse to cover up and make you feel better on your losing streak. I don't know what else it is. You need medicine for it, though.
Streak's fitting to change.
You need some medicine.
Fitting. You feel that temperature? You see that right there? You're almost in the yellow right now.
No, I'm in the
So the last bit of modifications are, we're going to take this sissy-fied little doodad, since we got time. We got to beat Stevie before I got time to build exhaust here, so we're going to take this doodad out of here.
Have you even
Y'all can see
on the whole screw thing?
Yeah, I've been working on the injector pump.
The drywall screw?
The drywall screw.
Yeah, ain't that what you've been turning on?
No, Stevie,
me see
it's not
it.
a drywall screw.
How bad is it? Ow!
Yeah, see, Karma.
What are you making, a pumpkin face or what?
Yeah, let me see. What does he look like? Well, I can't get zoomed into him.
It's a pumpkin face.
Stevie, you get used to that face, because that's all you're going to see when I come flying past.
Let me have that.
This is my pumpkin
Well,
face.
we'll get you doing some beating on here.
Okay.
A little beating and banging.
Yeah. So my bird.
You better get your glove on before you miss and cut your hand off. Not that I care about your
Think
hand.
that matters, Stevie? Because why?
Well, if you cut your hand, then you can go crying to mommy about you need an automatic transmission. She'll buy you an automatic.
Stevie. Oh, it's getting
What you
good.
got?
It is looking
It's a little
nasty
more.
in there.
What you got? Let me get
You
in
can
there.
just focus in there.
You didn't even do it. Oh yeah, look
Yeah,
at
it's getting
that.
nasty.
The pumpkin don't look like a pumpkin no more.
No, it looks
It
like
looks like somebody shot the pumpkin.
look like three weeks after Halloween.
Where's your
is what
focus?
it's starting to look like. You can't get the. There it is. It looks like 3 weeks after Halloween's over.
Yeah, the pumpkin's starting to wilt up.
Yeah. So we're gonna finish it off. This is gonna be one dead
Won't you let me
pumpkin.
grab a hold of that bar? I'd love to beat on that little junk truck.
Leave that truck alone. Quit being jealous.
I hope Big Meat watches this.
It's starting to look tacky. Aaron said he stopped by today.
He probably had a burning sensation on his ass.
That
You
something's
beating
going
on his
on,
truck.
Blackie. Something's going to happen next. All right, before I started with the screws, I was building, well, Nick done the screws a while back, and we was building 3406B, and we was building 14 pounds of boost. Nick played with screw, got us up about 17. I played with screws the other day and got it up to about a legitimate 20 to 20 and a quarter. And then I punched them holes in there yesterday, and now I can get up to 1,800 RPMs and hold 21 and a half, 22. Just them holes. So we're gonna take the middle out. Stevie, I can't see there now. Take the rest of the middle out. You think it'll blow that plate out, or you think it's just gonna rattle?
The one in White Lightning never blew it out. It just kept rattling.
All right, I'll just.
And that was right before I did the short stack series.
All right, now look down at, well.
And that you got half of what you need there for the short stack. All you gotta do is
Yeah.
get rid of this other half.
And that'd be an original idea, wouldn't it? That I come
Yeah,
up with, the short
yeah,
stack. It'd
yeah.
be called the Tater short stack.
Yeah,
That's what
instead
we
of
call
the Stevey short stack because everybody else is doing it now.
it. Yeah, so now it don't matter. It's not your idea. How long does something, Stevie, how long till the patent runs out on your ideas?
It don't.
It don't.
Well, it's log yard. It's starting to look like a log yard.
It is starting to look like a log yard again.
The ash is about gone.
All right, Stevie, let's see what it sounds like.
I'll bet it still sounds like junk.
Stevie, quit being jealous.
There's red oak, red oak, red oak, and white oak. Look at them both. Got smoke. Got smoke.
I ain't smoking it now.
You need to turn that screw a little bit more. I think you need to put a grass burner on it. I think you need to put a grass burner on it. And I think you need to take them gay black wings off there. Yeah.
I'll act like you didn't just say that.
You want me to repeat it? I said I think you need to take them gay black wings off there.
The YouTube peeps whether the wings stay or go when I do the modification on the exhaust, and I think the vote was the wings stay.
That is retarded.
Stevie, how's a bird fly? What part of a bird makes it fly? Wings. The wings. Stevie, the wings.
Their backbone.
The wings.
You gotta have a good solid backbone. And by the looks of that frame, you ain't got much
See,
backbone.
All that'd be, if I took my wings off, it'd be a snipe, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
See, so all that'd be is a snipe bird. And I'm a blackbird.
Well, penguins.
I soar with the eagle.
You can be a penguin.
Stevie, I soar with the eagle.
It's black and it's got that spilt milk looking stuff all over the hood like it's a penguin.
Man, I wish I could get the rest of
See,
that.
it looks like it's got scabies all over the hood.
Do you ever think about how jealous you sound?
And then you got pink letters on the door. I mean, I'll leave the wings on there. The wings match that gay pink lettering on the door. And then it matches the gay spilt milk all over the hood.
You know, jealousy. It just looks tacky.
Well, there's Big Mama. She's got my wallet. Here.
Go home.
Hey, Phil.
Take your nasty attitude with you.
She better have my dinner bucket.
You gonna throw a tantrum?
Oh, I will.
Like you did when you killed your truck out in front of everybody today at the yard sale?
One of them will be getting an ass whooping. They ain't got my
Stevie
dinner
pulls
bucket.
out in front of yard sale, kills his truck right there in traffic. I can hear him bitching and the raking gears and everything.
Retarded, stupid, city slicking people don't understand to get the hell out of the way whenever you got a 80,000-pound truck
Hey,
making a right-hand turn.
They understood that you was making a right-hand truck turn and you killed your truck.
The guy at the yard sale understood not to look at me no more when I kill my truck, too.
Stevie, he's gonna go take off the second time, and it goes and he had to stop again. And then he's like rolling backwards and everything. Then he starts banging through the gears.
And then you get on the radio. What the F? Oh, today's not your day to get in the middle of this. That's probably that CD don't work no more.
That is the funniest. Oh, I just kept going. I kept tormenting him because I knew it pissed him off. Stevie, that's what you would have done for me.
I was looking after you when you fell off the bunch and hurt your butt on that things.
You was looking after me?
I was trying to make sure you...
Stevie, in what way was you looking after me and making sure I was all right?
You was holding your butt, you was getting up, and you was going to be all right.
So once you seen that I was holding my butt, you figured I was okay?
Yeah, I seen you was trying to work it out. I swear to God, that I was working on a buncher today, greasing it, and I looked over that tire, and I looked up there, and I started laughing again. That was great.
You're a bad person.
That was great.
You know you're a bad person, right?
Did your back hurt from the arch of...
No, but my ass still hurts. It's been a week and a half, ain't it?
Which cheek is it?
Both.
Both of them?
Yes.
So tomorrow when we're hauling equipment, I can just kick in the ass and you'll feel it.
Yeah, any cheek, Stevie. Just pick a cheek. It is bad. Joni's being jealous. Surely that's enough. Yeah, I think it's okay. That won't rattle. We'll live with that.